The continuous power output of any brushless motor is limited not by its electrical potential, nor its rating, but by the ability to remove heat from the stator. When winding temperatures exceed 120 degrees Celsius, thermal failure becomes a certainty, not a possibility. Here you see two electric scooters. Both are Segway Ninebot's popular ES2 model. Apart from the external battery and the hard-shell scooter bag for convenience, the two scooters look completely alike. But things are not always as they seem here at Brarud SME. So be careful which bike you send your mommy out for groceries with. The original scooter is first up in the hill test. It very quickly drops its speed to 7 to 8 kilometers per hour. On the even part, it catches its breath and are increasing speed to 17 kilometers per hour. It's difficult to record the steep hill, but there is no chance. The scooter is not designed for this climb rate. Next up is the Brarud SME modified scooter. It does not take any notice of the first small hill and just keep on accelerating to 45 kilometers per hour on the even part. Even this steep uphill does not affect the modified scooter. I did many tests, and it is able to accelerate also up this hill. This is not an even party, so no need for more tests. One final flat-out run, and the original Ninebot is first out. The modified scooter picks up speed at a high rate, and it is no problem keeping up with traffic. At 40 kilometers per hour, the speed limiter kicks in, but due to the small descent, it does not stop before hitting close to 50 kilometers an hour. As I briefly mentioned before, this was far from an even contest. Here you see the original Segway Ninebot and its performance figures. It is a good-looking scooter, and all the batteries and electronics is hidden and protected inside the steering rod. It has a durable front motor and comes with a very pleasant price tag, about 4,000 Norwegian kroners. It is road legal and pretty safe to use. I think this picture sums up the original Ninebot ES2. And just as the former picture catches the essence of the original version, this picture tells you about the Stage 1 build. All engineering and design is done by the clever engineers at Brarud SME. Even if they look the same, this one has 10 times the power. To improve stability at higher speeds and enhance overall handling, both wheels were upgraded. The front 8.5-inch 300 watts motor was swapped with a 9.5-inch 300-watt motor from an E25D. The rear 8.5-inch tire and motor were replaced with a 10-inch 350-watt motor from a G30. Fortunately, the ES2 already comes with suspension on both axles. Brakes have been upgraded too, now featuring a reliable and powerful drum brake in the rear. Both motors also brake regeneratively, feeding power back into a battery system made up of 118 18650 cells, each rated at 10 watt-hours. Battery configuration? A 13S6P pack in the rear and two 12S2P packs up front. And yes, each motor is powered by its own 52-volt controller capable of drawing up to 30 amps. Two electric scooters, same shell, very different soul. One made for commuting and coffee, the other for chaos and speed. And it does not stop there. A planned Stage 2 is ongoing, boosting the power 3 times more to 10,000 watts, making the scooter faster in acceleration than most cars and a top speed of 101 kilometers per hour. Yeah, for comparison, the battery on this scooter stores 4 million joules. If released in 1 second, this is equivalent to 2 kilos of dynamite exploding, or the energy required to lift 400 kilograms to 1 kilometer's height, or 800 shots from a high-speed rifle bullet, like from a sniper rifle.